Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back to the vlog. We are in the midst of our deliveries for the day. We're coming to one of my favorite places. We're going to be hitting Dock 13 over here. Hopefully that big truck over here isn't in there. You know, every time I come here, it's like real heavy pallets. So it's not like, we got Arnell over there waiting, so that tells me we're going to be here for a little bit. So I won't bore you with standing around here. So I will be back when we're backing in. Make sure no one's coming. You don't gotta see that. Straighten it up. Which I may have held it too long, which I know I did. That's alright, we can fix it. Just gotta get around that yellow curve back there. Pull forward a little bit. That's enough of that clicking. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna go kick it. There's only one pallet, so it won't take long. Alright, we got that one pallet kicked off. Just it was a pallet with like 15 5-gallon buckets on it, some type of paint. Place looks like it uses a few pallets. Alright, well, we're going to exit out of here, then we're going to turn left, go down here into Wolf Point, and get a couple of places kicked off, and take it easy going through here. Forklift guys loading these flatbedders. Flatbed gang! Yeah, I ain't a part of that gang, that's for sure. Stopping all the time, checking your straps. Do it in the heat, do it in the freezing cold. I'm mad props to all you guys who are in the flatbed gang. Alright, we're just around the corner from this next one. Roll down the window. Arnell, all the Arnell trucks here locally, they're all, I think they might be 48 footers with lift gates on the back of them. The next place I'm going is right here. I'll let all these people clear out of the way. Put the four-ways on. I got a back end right there. We got a back right down there. Get that truck, get that tail headed that way. bad because they're going to come out with a forklift. Sorry if that's a little bit noisy from the reverse. There. We are here, they're getting 6. You guys sell it all, don't you?
We tried. We just try to stick with mostly legal products.
Yeah.
Which doesn't make near as much money, I guess.
Uh-huh.
But, we do what we can.
Have a great day. Yeah, we had delivered a bunch of stuff for him, and a bunch of them were damaged, and it was really because of the way that the shipper shipped it. And most of that stuff they get, like he was telling me last time I was here, is a lot of it's drop shipped. So it comes off of a container at one of the ports, you know, comes from China, as he said, and they just take them and then ship them at that point. Well, they're too top heavy, and they won't stay up. And, you know, he gets them, you know, several times where they're damaged. So the next one is just around the corner. So we'll just let this one roll. Drink some water. I drink about 6 of these a day. I have a cooler down there. Got me a little trash can. We'll see if they've got anybody else in here. Hopefully they don't have a bunch of OTR trucks in there. Now just the R&L guy. So that's no problem. We'll be able to... He's in dock 4, so we'll go in dock 3. Just need some more room. Is that guy... know if he's inside there or what. Watch out, I might take you out. Alright, we're coming up on the next one here. We turned on 122nd Street. Now this place here, I have to, I'll pull up next to them and they'll come out with a forklift and put their their pallets up on the back. These are some heavy pallets. They're every bit of, usually about 1,500 pounds a piece. You know, 12 to 1,500 pounds. Picking up 2 of them. I always throw my 4-ways on because I'm going to be in that lane, and you can tell where they've cut out the tree. We do our part to keep it maintained though. Let dispatch know I'm here. Hit arrive, all that good jazz. I hope I haven't caught these people at lunch. Now it's 11 o'clock, a little early. Usually it look like that right there. Sometimes we'll even have our bills on it. No. That might be it right here. Yep. Those 2 in there. Oh, there's some in there that says Estes on it.
Yes.
Oh. Because this is showing 2 pallets of those over there. That one too? Okay. So just these 2? Okay. Thank you. Guess it was just these 2 pallets. So there's just 1 pickup. 2 total pallets. They just had them separated. Let's see, 511-983 trailer number. Run 208, 211. Somebody was watching one of the videos, and leave a comment below if you happen to see this. He started working for Estes. Watching the videos, he goes, yeah, Chuck never shows all the paperwork you gotta do. He goes, I'm going line haul. There's some paperwork that goes involved, but heck, after you've been doing it for a little while, it's no big deal. You don't even think about it. There's a little more paperwork when there's a form you have to fill out when you pick up hazmat. When you do pick up hazmat, you gotta check the bills. You know, make sure everything's labeled like it should be. Alright guys, I think that's going to do it for this vlog. I want to thank you so much for hitting that play button today. If you like this kind of content, definitely make sure you hit the subscribe button. But until I see you at the next video, I hope each and every one of you have a blessed rest of your day. And remember this, life is truly short. Make sure you make it sweet. Peace.